Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you an automation that pulls your Shopify sales data from the last 30 days and automatically rebuilds your top sellers collection so the right products are always front and center without manual merchandising. Collections go stale. Yesterday's best sellers sit in the spotlight while today's top products get buried and missed. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
Hi, this automation is a demonstration of my Shopify top 30 days sales. It polls Shopify for orders in the last 30 days, collates them, totals them by product, creates a top 30 of the most sold items, and pushes that into a bestsellers list catalog item or collection item in Shopify. Very simple automation. The logic is all in here, and it's very clean, happens very fast. I run this on a 30-day cycle. If that looks interesting to you and you think you could use it to modify it for your use case, let me know. It's very easy to put in place. Thank you so much.
So that's the Shopify Top Sellers Collection Builder in action in sync. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit 1ltx.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.